Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Gamers. Today I'm gonna show you how to change language in Stumble guys. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be updated with our new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, make sure you have downloaded the right application. After that, open it and click on Settings option. Next, you will see various settings option here, from which you have to choose language and select change. Over here you will see many languages like English, Portuguese, from which you can select any of them. After selecting one, you have to click back and your language will be changed. I hope you find this video helpful. If so, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.